welcome to the channel. If you would, please hit the subscribe button. Today we're going to do a review on this Corona 10-inch folding saw. Cuts up to 6 inches. Push that button there to unlock it. And then if you want to close it, hit it again. Like that. We got here and test the saw out. Dog with me. He loves running around out here. We've got this old dead tree I cut down. Test it out on this one. You can see. Actually pretty hard wood. Chainsaw had a hard time cutting through it. There you go. Is that interesting to you? Is that interesting? Another, watch out, smaller piece. Sit. You sit. Good boy. Good boy. If you're interested in one of these, I got this one at Lowe's. It was about $25. These cut pretty good. These little blades are, these little teeth are really pretty sharp. It's lightweight, and I like how the blade's kind of curved and help kind of cut a little better, wrap around the limb or tree that you're cutting. Yep. Thanks for watching.